Fakultas Kedokteran dan Kesehatan Universitas Muhammadiyah Jakarta. Jadi fakultas yang kompetitif dan terkemuka berdasarkan nilai-nilai Islam tahun 2030. Universitas Muhammadiyah Jakarta.
To present the result of our group work. My name is Azara Shakila as midwife 1.
My name is Diajeng Sat Apermadi as midwife 2. My name is Elia as a nurse.
My name is Diana Mela Putri as Mrs. Aulia.
My name is Deswita Kaviara as Mr. Fajar.
Okay, please enjoy our video.
Bye.
I like to do a pre-wedding checkup.
Okay, first of all, what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Fajar, 28 years old. My fiance is Aulia, 29 years old.
Okay, Mr. Fajar and Mrs. Aulia, please sit down until Midwifery calls you into the room.
Okay,
Thank you.
Mr. Fajar and Mrs. Aulia, please come in.
Yes.
Waalaikumsalam. Please come in and have a seat. Okay, first of all, my name is Midwifery and I am on duty at the Premarital clinic today, and she is midwife Dea, my assistant, who will assist during today's session. So, how may we help you?
Yes, my name is Aulia and this is my fiance Fajar. We are here for a premarital health checkup.
Alright, today you will undergo a physical examination, tetanus toxoid, immunization for Mrs. Aulia, and laboratory screening.
So, before we begin, please read this informed consent. All results are confidential to ensure you and the marriage in good health.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I would like to confirm your identities. Yeah, Mrs. Aulia is 26 years old and Mr. Fajar is 28 years old, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Mrs. Aulia, do you have any complaints such as irregular menstruation, severe pain, or abnormal vaginal discharge?
My menstrual cycle is sometimes irregular, but I have no other complaints.
Mr. Fajar, do you currently smoke or have any health complaints?
I do smoke, but I extrovert. I have no complaints.
That's very good, Mr. Fajar. Quitting smoking can improve your overall health and sperm quality. Okay, now we will move to the examination room. Nurse Alia will perform a physical examination.
Okay, Mrs. Aulia, please get on the bed and let's take your measure first.
Your physical examination results are within normal limits.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay, you have already undergone a physical examination with Nurse Alia. I will schedule the laboratory test after this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so now Mrs. Aulia and Mr. Fajar, I will explain the basic of the reproductive system.
Hello, I am Dea, and I will explain the human reproductive system. These interconnected systems demonstrate how our core components work together seamlessly. This number gradually decreases as a woman gets older. During the active reproductive period, only about 400 to 500 cells will fully mature. The release of a reproductive cell occurs as part of a regular monthly cycle. When the cycle becomes irregular, the timing is more difficult to predict. This may affect the possibility of conception. The uterus has 3 layers. The inner layer prepares itself regularly as part of the natural cycle. This layer thickens regularly in preparation for a potential biological process. If this process does not continue, the inner layer naturally renews itself. This natural renewal is part of a regular cycle. The middle layer is made of muscle tissue that supports movement and flexibility. It provides strong support through controlled contractions during natural processes. The outer layer serves as protection for the uterus. Next, the explanation will be continued by Rara. Hello, I am Rara, and I will continue the explanation. The cervix produces natural fluids that change according to different phases. These natural fluids change in appearance and consistency during different phases. During certain optimal periods, these fluids become clearer, smoother, and more elastic. They help support natural movement toward the connecting pathway. The surrounding area maintains a naturally balanced environment. This balance helps provide natural protection against unwanted external elements. Personal care can be maintained using clean, flowing water without strongly scented products. Wearing comfortable, breathable clothing and changing it regularly helps maintain dryness. The male reproductive system consists of several connected parts that work together. These parts support the production, development, and movement of reproductive cells. One key part supports the production of reproductive cells and important hormones. This development process takes place gradually over a period of time. After development, the cells remain in a holding stage before release. These cells then move forward as part of a coordinated release process. Supporting fluids help maintain balance and support cell movement. Various lifestyle factors can influence overall balance and quality. Balanced preparation and healthy habits support overall reproductive well-being. Thank you for your attention.
The female reproductive system includes a number of parts. The ovaries hold the eggs, which are released each month during childbearing age. They also produce sex hormones, which control periods. The fallopian tubes connect the ovaries to the womb, also called the uterus. When an egg is released, it travels down the fallopian tube towards the womb. At this time, sperm from the male can pass into the fallopian tube, where it may meet the egg and fertilize it. Fertilized eggs pass down the fallopian tube to the womb, which holds and protects the baby during pregnancy. The lining of the womb is called the endometrium. It thickens during the menstrual cycle ready for pregnancy. If you don't become pregnant, you have a period, which is when the lining sheds. The cervix is the lower part of the womb. It is the opening into the vagina. During a period or menstruation, blood passes from the womb through the cervix and then to the vagina. The vagina also opens and expands during sexual intercourse and stretches during childbirth to allow a baby to come out. On the outside of the body is the vulva. It is made up of 2 pairs of lips. Between these is the opening of the vagina. Above the vagina is the urethra, the short tube that carries urine from the bladder to outside the body. And above the urethra is the clitoris, a very sensitive area that gives sexual pleasure. For more information about cancers that can start in the female reproductive system, go to cruk.org/cancer-types.
The male reproductive system includes the penis, the testes and epididymides held within the scrotum, the vas deferens, and internally, the seminal vesicles and the prostate gland. The penis is the male sex organ. It is made up of the shaft and the head. The head of the penis is covered by a movable piece of skin called the foreskin. The urethra is a tube that runs from the bladder through the prostate gland and the middle of the penis to carry urine out of the body. The penis has a rich blood supply as well as a muscle layer and nerves. When sexually aroused, the blood flow increases and it becomes erect. The testes produce sperm and the hormone testosterone. At the back of each testis is the epididymis, a tube where sperm is stored. When the penis is erect, sperm moves from the epididymis and through the vas deferens to the urethra. The seminal vesicles make a fluid that mixes with sperm in the urethra. The prostate gland is about the size of a walnut. It surrounds the first part of the urethra and adds more fluid to the sperm. During orgasm, the prostate squeezes this fluid into the urethra and out of the body. For more information about cancers that start in the male reproductive system, go to cruk.org/cancer-types.
So, was our explanation easy to understand, or do you have any question?
No, ma'am, the explanation was very clear.
Thank you very much, ma'am Lala and ma'am Dea.
You're
welcome. We hope you are ready to enter a healthy and happy marriage.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi